What is up, guys? Today I have a video of me unboxing the Streamlight TLR7X sublight as well as the Pro Ledge from Tactical Development. So let's just get straight into it. Right on the box we see the light as well as the CR123A battery. This specific light is made for 1913 railed handguns such as the P365 X Macro that I have. The description of the back of the package lists out a few common handguns that this light would work with. This is the Pro Ledge from Tactical Development, which combos well with the TLR7X sub. Also from Tactical Development is this key, which allows for a more flush rear position on the rail, and the handgun I'll be attaching it to. Sticker, a welcome card from Streamlight, inside is the manual, four additional keys, a multi-tool, and a guide for which key to use for your firearm. Let's go ahead and install this thing. Pre-installed is the number 3 key. Just use a coin or flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and remove the rail clamp screw and try to not lose the spring like I did here. In order to install the Pro Ledge, we first need to remove the left rail clamp. The rail uses size T8 Torx screws. Remove the left rail clamp and replace it with a Pro Ledge. All you have to do now is reinsert the T8 screws. Here I insert the TacDev key. And of course, don't forget the spring before adding in the screw. Test fit on the rail, then tighten down the rail clamp screw with the spring reinserted. In this bag we have a multi-tool, the low button switches, and an E-clip to install at the end of the rail clamp screw. And there we have it. I hope you enjoy some of these close-up shots. The unit has a sort of crushed carbon fiber finish to it, which looks really nice to me. The switch is nicely placed right under where my trigger finger would naturally rest. And it has easy activation with my right index finger. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and install guide. If you did, please show some support with a like and maybe subscribe if you want to see more content. I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers, and I hope you have a good one.